Today we're taking a quick look at the LiftMaster 373P garage door remote. This is a 3-button visor remote designed for LiftMaster garage door openers. The 373P is useful when you need to control more than one garage door, gate, or compatible opener from the same remote. One of the main features of this remote is the proximity lighting sensor. When your hand gets close to the remote, the buttons light up, making it easier to see and use in the dark. The LiftMaster 373P uses Security Plus rolling code technology, which helps protect the signal by changing the access code every time the remote is used. This remote is commonly used with LiftMaster openers that have a purple Learn button, depending on the opener model and frequency compatibility. Overall, the LiftMaster 373P is a solid everyday remote with 3-button control, built-in button lighting, and a simple visor-mounted design for easy access in your vehicle.